Congratulations! We are here at the OCC Gymnasium to cover the Teachers Month celebration with a theme Together for Teachers, celebrating the heart of education. I am Hannah Nasayo, the news anchor of the Herald publication. Let's gather some insights from our dear instructors. Sir, so what are your expectations for this event?
Expectation very simple is to really Filipinos Day for the teachers as we celebrate Happy Teachers Month, and all of us here with the boy kasi ito yung para kailangan po kapag-banding as a team.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Yung balo na pagtuloy, upuan.
Ay, kamukha akang aram ni ma'am. Susawawawin. Puto ka na. Hanggat hindi po kinakalabit, huwag mong humarap, ha? Hanggat hindi po kinakalabit, huwag mo munang humarap. Wala ba? Wala ba nakakahula dyan? Aba, wala na itong nagdaan. Group 2, habol-habol tayo mga madam! Nakahula ko dati yung ako.
I just want to ask if how's the experience on joining the game and kamusta naman nung nanalo kayo ng pangkabuhayan package?
Enjoy, and sa pangkabuhayan naman ibebenta ko to. Simple lang.
Thank you, sir. How about you, sir?
So far, nakaka-enjoy siya and challenging kasi you need to aim the egg talaga with precision. Kaya ganun ginawa ko, kaya nanalo kami.
Okay, sir. Medyo challenging talaga, sir, yung pagpagalaw nung talong. Thank you, sir. Good morning. So, how's your experience on the game na sinalihan nyo kanina, sir?
Based on my experience, it was fun but challenging since yung talong ay hindi
Tigas?
matigas yung talong pero yung lubid hindi. So, ang hirap i-swing, no, i-ano yung egg. But then again, with determination determination and perseverance, no? Na ano naman, napamove yung egg.
Okay. How about you, sir?
First of all, maraming salamat sa lahat ng officers na nag-initiate nitong activity na to. Na-appreciate namin as a teacher. Doon naman sa games, maraming salamat dahil kahit papaano, nakakapagod pero nakaka-enjoy. Talagang masusubukan ng tuhod mo dito, ng talong, di ba? So, medyo masakit sa tuhod kasi kakatapos pala kagabi ng mga activities. Ngayon naman, may activity ulit. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, sir. CSC President, Ms. Cristina Jun Cagado, and let's ask her what are her insights about the event that happened.
Okay, so good afternoon everyone. Again, about the Teachers Day, it was very short span of time that we prepare this kind of event. Limited budget, but then since we as a Filipino, we became a resourceful, we still manage to make this event successful through the collaboration of each officers of the organization, club, and departmental. We, being united with the student leaders, we make the teachers celebration become successful and become more meaningful, since not only the teachers enjoy the event but also the students of our institution.
Thank you so much, Ms. Cagado. Concludes our Teachers Day celebration. Once again, this is Hannah Nasaya, news anchor of the Herald Publication.